Hello Munchkins, what is up? I hope everyone's doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post makeup and fashion related content on my channel. If this is something that you enjoy watching, make sure to subscribe to my channel. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. Welcome to Tuesday Favorites, my love. Today I will be sharing my top 5 favorite foundations. So before I start sharing my favorite products, I quickly wanted to tell you guys what type of foundations I usually prefer. So I have normal to combination skin and I always prefer using foundations that are lightweight and have a beautiful luminous look to the skin. So today I will be sharing foundations that work perfectly well for my skin type and give a beautiful, natural, luminous looking skin. So if you guys are interested to know, then you should definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I'll start with my favorite Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade True Tan. I have used this foundation in so many of my tutorials and I absolutely love this. The consistency of this foundation is very liquidy, hence making it very lightweight on the skin, and it just evens out the skin really well. It feels like BB cream but better, and it does not make my skin greasy or oily. And I use a thin layer of this all over my face and use a heavy coverage concealer underneath my eyes, and I am good to go. All the products would layer very well on top of this foundation, and it is a very good dupe of the MAC Face and Body, which is yet another favorite of mine. It is very liquidy, looks very nice, loved by a lot of makeup artists globally, and it is one of their best sellers from MAC Cosmetics. It is very affordable and it is a must-have for everyone who loves a dewy finish look. Next, again, I have a dewy finish foundation which is from Makeup Revolution. This is their foundation stick and I use the shade F12, a perfect match for me. This foundation, you can build it to a medium to full coverage if you layer it up, and it can literally hide any blemish that you might have. It has a lot of oil in it, hence making your skin look very dewy and luminous, and it is just an amazing product. It blends very nicely, it does not crack on the skin, it does not make your skin excessively oily, and all the products, they layer up really nicely on top. I would highly recommend you all to get this. It's not very expensive. I'm pretty sure it is under $1,000. For another stick foundation, I have the Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face foundation stick and I use the shade Panna. What I like about this one is that it comes with its own brush, which makes this product very travel friendly, whereas with the Makeup Revolution one, you have to carry an extra brush, you know, to blend the product. But with this, you are sorted. This again is a very pretty foundation, blends really well. It is not very dewy in comparison to the Makeup Revolution one. It looks natural on the skin if it is well blended, and you can totally build up the coverage of this foundation to full coverage, which is really nice. And if you just want a light coverage all over your face to even out your skin tone, just use a little bit of this and you are good to go. Now, if you're looking for a high-end foundation which will blow your mind, you should definitely try getting the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, and I use this shade Spiced Sand. What I have noticed with this foundation is that it does oxidize a bit on my skin. Other than that, this is a beautiful foundation. I must tell you, this foundation right here, it's my current favorite and I am obsessed with this. If you use the foundation directly on your face, it does have a good coverage, as in you can build it to a medium to full coverage. But if you want a light layer a foundation just to even out your skin tone, mix it with any serum that you have. I personally like mixing this with the Estee Lauder ANR, just a few drops, maybe 2 drops with this foundation, applied all over your face, and it will look so pretty. What I like about this foundation is that it stays on your face for a really long time. I wore this foundation for straight 7-8 hours and it looked so nice on my skin. Even after 8 hours, my skin was looking so fresh. लग ही नहीं रहा था मैंने फाउंडेशन लगाया है, कहीं से क्रैक नहीं हो रहा था, कहीं सेटल डाउन नहीं कर रहा था, कहीं मूव नहीं किया. इट वॉज जस्ट there and it looked very fresh and nice. If you have the budget, please get this and you will thank me later. And lastly, for another affordable option, I have the Nykaa Skin Shield Triple Active Action Formula in the shade True Toffee. This foundation is great if you want more coverage, okay? It is thick, it is not liquidy, but you can always add a few drops of any face serum and dilute the product. But I like to use this as it is on the days when I need more coverage, and I like to use this foundation with a beauty blender so that the blender adds moisture to my skin. It might look a little matte on some people, but if I prep my skin, it does make my skin look like skin. It does not make my face look cakey at all, and the coverage is really nice. For the price, it is a great product, and as the name suggests, it is an anti-pollution foundation, so it's perfectly safe if you wear it during the daytime. Also, the shade True Toffee is a bit too dark for me, so to balance out my face, I like to use a light color concealer, and that's it. It is a great product. Again, would highly recommend this. Also, this video is not sponsored if you are wondering. I just genuinely like Nykaa foundations. They are surprisingly very good. I never expected these foundation to look or work this well, but Nykaa shook me with this. Alright you guys, so this was a quick video of me sharing my top favorite foundations. The next video will be my top favorite concealers. If you want to watch that video, make sure to come here next week on my channel on Tuesday to watch that video. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.